Santos. Santos to Ken. Tumira. 2 points para kay Ken. Agnes. Agnes, tupakaduan. Sumalaksak. Foul yan. Foul number 26. First personal foul. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Tiberla. Nawala pa yung bola. Same ball. Agnes. Pass to Killing. Wala. Santos. Foul. Foul number 17. Third personal foul. Santos. Back to Cruz. Killing, rebound the ball. Pakaduan. Pass to Agnes. Agnes sumalaksak. Tumira. Pasok yan para kay Agnes. Boom. Pass to Berla. Tumira. Pasok yan para kay Berla. Pakaduan. Pass to Luzada. Pakaduan. Tumira ng 3. Pasok yan. 3 points. Santos. Lacking foul. Number 287. Substitution rep. Killing out. Absalon in. Third personal foul, number 27. Cross. Board shot. Agnes. Agnes, to Pakaduan. Pakaduan, tumira. Pass to Luzada. Ganda na sana yun, pero di nakatingin. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. 39-27. Dom. Dom to Santos. Steal by Victorino. Santos, libre-libre. Pasok para kay Santos. Pakaduan. 10 na lang kalamangan ng production. Pakaduan. To Agnes. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Santos. Santos nagmamadali. Steal by Luzada. Iba pala yun. Agnes. Agnes. Pass to Victorino. Wala. Rebound by Kent. Pass to Santos. 1v1. Offensive foul. Offensive foul yan para kay Santos. Substitution rep. Santos out, Pabilo in. Second personal foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Agnes. Stop. Push. Illegal screening. Number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. Santos. Papol. Pass to Toto. To Pavilion. Supalpal yan para Absalon. Substitution rep. Number 18 out, 1 in. Shot clock, 40 to shoot. Devela, 3 points. Siniswerta si Devela. 39-32. Umahabol lang ang acrylic. Agnes, tupada, pagaduan. Tumira na 3 points. Sumagot si Pagaduan. Deverla, sumalaksak. Santos, rebound, follow up by Santos, 2 points. Agnes. Agnes. To Absalon, tumira ng 3. 3 points. Papaulan na ng 3 points ang production. Toto. Wala. Revive by Pavilion. Foul yan. Para kay Victorino. Foul number 19. 19. Time out. Acrylic. Third personal foul number 19. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 45-34.
Lin, kumpiyansa ha.
Back to the ball game. Two shot by Pavilion. First free throw. Nagulat. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Pero rebound by Nuevo. Nuevo to Pavilion. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Hoy, still by Ket. Ket, sumalaksak. Tumira. Wala. Hoy. Warning for number 1. Making a foul. Pa-down. Pass to Killing. Killing. Pass to Pagaduan. Pa-down. Pagaduan. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nuevo. Pass to Papol. Papol nagmamadali. Walang foul. Pa-down. Pa-down. Sumalaksak. Pass to Killing. Reverse. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Napal. Napal. To Papol. Papol. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Kalma lang daw sabi ng number 17. Pa-down. Pa-down to Killing. Killing. Trouble in violation. Papol. Ayan na si Papol. Papol. Tuken. Devela. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Pero nakuha si Pabilot. Tunabal. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Rebound by Papol. Wala pa rin. Foul na yan para kay Tuwing. Foul number 1. Substitution rep. Second free throw. Pasok na yan para kay Ken. Pa-down. Pa-down. Pa-down pa rin. Pagaduan. Sumalaksak. Pass to Padaon. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound by Cha. Nagmamadali. Ayan na si Cha. Pass to Nabal. Nabal, lumistap. De Vera. Palpal yan. Substitution rep. 27 in. 17 out. Shot clock. 12 to shoot. Big Boy, 2 points. Ayan na si Big Boy. Nangangalabaw na. Agnes. Agnes sumalaksak. Tupadaon. Steal by Cha. Cha. Nagmamadali. Pass to Nuevo. Supalpal pa rin. Time out. Time out. Production. Nuevo. Nuevo. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Padaon. Padaon nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. Pass to Absalon. 2 points. Ja. To Nabal. Nabal. To Ja. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points. Ayun na si Agnes. Agnes nagmamadali. Agnes. Tinira na lang. Rebound by Padaon. Agnes. Agnes pa rin. Pass to Padaon. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Nabal. To Nuevo. Bumawi ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Big Boy. Pabilo. Sumabit ang kamay. Number 25. Pushing foul.
16. Pegging a foul. Warning mo 16.
Warning number 16, picking a foul.
May warning na tayo kanina sa pegging a foul, di ba? Oo.
Technical. Technical for picking a foul. Technical shoot. Pasok yan para kay Nabal. Shoutout kay Nelson Bago. Unang free throw. Pasok yan. Dalawang free throw, pasok pa rin. Konti na lang naman hinahanap, naabol ng acrylic. Score 50-43. Absalon 2 points. Ja. Ja, to Nabal. Sumalaksak to Big Boy. Big Boy. Nabal, Nabal, tumira. Pasok na yan para kay Nabal. Padaon. Padaon natabay ang bola. Pass to Nabal, Tutya, nagmamadali. Nuevo, sumalaksak. Tumira, wala, rebound by Padaon. Last 1 minute. Agnes. Agnes still by Nabal. Nabal, pinasa kay Cha. Libreng-libre. Ayun na. Pasok yan para kay Cha. Score 52-47. 5 na lang kalamangan ng production. Agnes. Foul. Foul number 9. Third personal foul number 9. Third foul. Shot clock, 14 to shoot. Absalon. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Makuroy. Pinabal. Nuevo, libre-libre. Pasok para kay Nuevo. Last 20 seconds. Agnes. To shoot. Agnes. Agnes pa rin. 5 shoot. Agnes sumalaksak. May foul pa. Foul number 9. Warning for graduation number 9. Fourth team foul. Unang free throw. Pasok. Haba ng pangalan na. Toledo. Kalawang free throw. Wala. Rebound by Big Boy. End of third quarter. Score 53-49. Produksyon